Buy a vending route. For many people, earning money without having to log in the hours is a dream come true. One of the easiest ways for you to carry out this dream is by buying your own vending route. A vending route will earn you money through vending machines, with only occasional refills for the vending machine products, as well as replacement and maintenance costs. Here are factors to consider when choosing your vending route. Check the location. Probably the most important aspect in purchasing a vending route is the location. The location will greatly determine whether you will be able to generate money via the vending machines, or if the machines will end up bankrupt. Visit the location yourself and assess the quantity and quality of foot traffic. This means that there should be a good number of people who are present in the area at all times, since these people are your buyers. Apart from the number of potential buyers in the area, also inspect whether they are the type to use vending machines. Income versus cost. Next, consider the income-to-cost ration when it comes to setting up and maintaining your vending route. In some cases, the cost of maintaining the vending machines far outweighs the income that you actually generate from the machines. Optimally, the profit should far outweigh the costs. In areas where the profit and cost levels are equal, you should scout for other areas. The key is to be persistent and patient when it comes to finding the right location. There are plenty of high-profile areas that are already covered by vending routes. There are, however, plenty of other areas where you can install a vending machine. Do not jump on the first bandwagon that you see. Replacements and maintenance. You should be aware of the replacement and maintenance costs that are necessary when maintaining a vending route. In a simple business, you pay employees and staff. In a vending route, you will pay for the replacement of vending machine parts and maintenance, which includes the cleanliness for the vending machines as well as the stocks of goods that the vending machines dispense. You can hire professionals to do the job for you. These will replace the vending machines at regular intervals, and will inspect the machines for defects, and repair them when necessary. If you have the time, however, you can also carry out the product refills yourself, and repair the minor damages yourself. Security. Make sure that your vending route is safe and secure. In areas where the crime rates are high and vandalism or theft is a frequent occurrence, your vending machine will be one of the usual targets of attack. If you cannot resist the business opportunities in these areas, make sure that your vending machines are reinforced with strong glass panels, sturdy buttons, and interfaces, and locks. With a carefully selected vending route, you can easily generate money even as you stay at home or work in an office far away. As you expand your vending route, you can make your profits soar high enough to live off the vending machines.